Hi there. Today I will be guiding you how to delete Meta AI-generated comments on Facebook. With the help of my method, you can delete all the comments easily. The thing that will come first is open your Facebook app. Now, once it will be open, if you take a look on the right top, you can see your profile icon. Click on it. Once you will get access of it, scroll down and tap on the option Settings and Privacy and hit Setting. Once you will hit Setting, you will see all the settings which you can do in your Facebook profile. Now scroll down, and there you can see the icon of Audience and Visibility. And below you will see the option Posts, which is on the fourth number. Click on it and get access of it. Here you can find an option, Allow Comments Summaries on your post. It means, if this option is enabled, then Meta AI will summarize comments on your post, and if you turn it off, then it will not summarize any comment on your post. So if you disable this, then all the generated comments will be disabled on your future post. And I think it will work on your previous comment. And that's it.